Welcome to MBBS Council. Knowing last year closing rank for various PG courses will help you to predict which courses you have chance to get for your NEET PG rank. In this video, we are going to see the expected NEET 2022 PG closing rank for dermatology course in government medical colleges, DNB hospitals and deemed universities. You can find last year cutoff for all PG courses for any medical college hospital in MBBSCouncil app. You can find link in the description below. For MD Dermatology, there are 150 general category seats available in government medical colleges. For DNB Dermatology, there are 12 general category seats in hospitals. There are 74 general surgery seats in deemed university medical colleges. During 2021 PG Counselling, last All India rank, who got MD Dermatology course, was 8,228. This means if you belong to general category and your All India rank is less than 8,000 in NEET 2022 PG exam, you have good chance to get MD Dermatology in government medical college under general category. For DNB Dermatology course, the last year closing rank was 7,086. Few private colleges have open management quota. Last year closing rank for open management quota was 72,425. For deemed university, closing rank was 54,153. Tuition fees per year for general surgery course varies depending on the type of college. You can find college-wise fees on MBBSCouncil app. If you want to know last year PG cutoff for any other PG course, comment below. To know which course and college you have chance to get for your NEET PG rank, you can use PG College Predictor facility available in MBBSCouncil Android App. Link to install the app is given in description below. See you in the next video.